Tonight, we are going to witness the most anticipated match in the history for the heavyweight championship of the world. Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
So I'ma let the world know the truth. You don't want me to shine, you study my rhyme, then you laser vocals at the mind. That's a move, something that a rapper would do. So when you say that you platinum, you only dropping clues. I studied your background, read the book that you wrote, researched your footnotes about how you used to frontin' like a drug-free role model. You disgust me, I know to see you hanging out recently. You walk around showing off your body cause it sells, plus to avoid the fact that you ain't got scales. Mad at me cause I kick that real fail. 99% of your fans wear high heels. From Ice-T to Kumo D to Jay-Z, now you wanna with me? You must be crazy. You dripping with whack juice and you can't get it off. You better be prepared to finish what you start.
You just hold it right there. We got a legal road ball, the fighter, the roster. If I see one more of those, you're out of here, son.
Some go move their head and get cut. Others laugh it off, take pain like so what? People in life don't understand a big dog with light touch. When some complain about their pants, they love them so much. And them over there, they ain't like my tattoos. And if I take offense at something, assume that I'm rude. See me, I finish school degrees and dress cool and me. Smoke too much weed if I go through
Solo tres, otra vez, I got news, you own none. Captain of my own shit, sorry about your short run. Carlito did it his way, now we gon' do it this way. Which way? LES, station 13 way.
You don't own me. I'm not just one of your petty toys. You don't own me. Don't try to downside heresy. You don't own me. I'm not just one of your petty toys. You don't own me. Don't try to change me in
The past is history, the future a mystery, and that was a gift. That's why we call it the present. What you see is what you get. Part man and part pit. This bad